Motorola Edge 2026 is expected to launch in the coming weeks, but currently there are some leaked renders that reveal the design of the phone. And as you can see, the biggest change here is the display. Motorola appears to be ditching the aggressively curved screen design that has basically defined the Edge lineup for years. Now, instead of the curved design, Motorola is settling with a completely flat display on the Edge 2026, as you can see. Of course, a lot of people are going to like this because some Motorola fans have been asking Motorola to move away from those dramatic curves for a while now. And now the bezels looks extremely thin and symmetrical, and the phone also appears to have a centered punch hole selfie camera. At the back of the phone, you could tell that Motorola is also trying something a little bit different. Instead of the glossy glass or vegan leather finish like we've seen on previous Edge phones, the leaked renders show a textured woven fabric finish on the back panel. And also at the back is the camera module, and it appears to house 3 camera lenses and a flash. There's also the iconic Motorola branding positioned at the center. And there are some other features about the Motorola Edge 2026 as well. According to the details, Motorola will be using a Sony Lichia primary sensor with optical image stabilization. I don't know if I actually pronounced that right. Anyway, the camera markings also hint at a 12mm ultra wide angle lens and a 73mm telephoto lens, which translates to roughly 3 times optical zoom alongside Motorola's expected super zoom capabilities. Another thing that the render actually revealed is a dedicated physical button on the left side of the phone, and on the right you still get the regular volume rocker and power button. Now for the processor, rumors suggest Motorola could go with a Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset, or possibly a powerful MediaTek Dimensity equivalent, such as the Dimensity 74 Ultra. Battery life is also expected to stay strong. The Edge 2026 is rumored to either match or improve on the previous model's 5200 mAh cell, while likely keeping the same 68 watt fast charging support. And as for price, the Edge 2026 is expected to cost between $500 and $650 depending on storage configuration and regional pricing. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the device will be launched in the coming weeks, but according to some online details, the Edge 2026 may launch maybe next week, but these are not confirmed, of course, while some sources claim the device would launch in early June. Anyway, these are the top details of the Motorola Edge 2026. If I could get more details about the device, I would definitely share with you guys, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.